Hey guys, welcome back to the Showy channel. Today I have an amazing surprise for everybody. I'm going to be going through this video. First, I want to cover what people are doing with COTP and Metafi Yielder, Exontrade, and CryptoGenix or something like that. Swapnex. These are all just rug pulls, scam websites. But today, I want to go over this. I want to give 10 people $500 in Golden Way group because it's a great opportunity. I've seen great returns for myself, so I want to give back for people who want to make that passive income and the people that have lost a lot in these websites. Honestly, I want to build an amazing group where everyone is able to be part of a great community, reap off the wealth, and and I'm here to answer all those questions. I've seen some people comment. They said, "What makes Golden Way any different than Swapnex and COTP and Metafi Yielders and all the other scam websites that they're coming out with? The COTP lookalikes, people saying COTP is back, like this guy. It's not coming back. These are just other people, I don't know why other subscribers do, other YouTube channels do this, but they shouldn't be trying to get people back into another COTP lookalike just to lose more money. It's just so unfortunate that they're just doing this. So I want to answer some people's questions about that, about the fact that they're asking what makes this so different. So I want to show you guys something. This company has been around for 3 years and they've been upgrading their system, making it better. There is no system actually. It's just they're upgrading their interface. And this website is about gold, investment in gold, and it's through cryptocurrencies. So you're getting one of these, like, look at this. This is the results of an Instagram photo contest. Congratulations to each of you will receive 2.5 gold bar from Golden Way. Like this, I'm telling you guys, don't lose the opportunity and not get in this company. This company is amazing. See, this is their 3rd year anniversary. But let's go. Okay, so this is the ticket for the 3rd year anniversary, 3-year anniversary. So if this was supposed to be a rug pull, it would have been happened long time ago. Okay, so let's go to the gala. Let's go to this. I wanted people to explain to me how this can be fake. This event is fake. This event is made up just to rug people and the background and all that and everyone participating. I don't think so. And 3 years for this website to be around, you guys could do your research about this. This is real. This is like, you could keep going back. You could go back to their this is the Paris one. Like, come on, guys. Like, amazing. This is not fake. I don't see any fakeness in this. This is just, anyways, this is reaping off the benefits. That's basically, to me, it's gaining real passive income in your life other than investing into these rug websites and these fake websites. So if you guys really want to get to know and understand how this works, I have a Discord channel, a Telegram channel I put together, and I want to build a team. So the $500 giveaway that I'm doing from my account, I'll show you guys my account in a second. I will be doing it through the Telegram chat, group chat and the Discord. So whichever one works for you guys. I'll leave those in the description down below. And I'll leave the link for Golden Way also in the description and on the comment section. So the people that want to put a minimum of 1,000, I will be putting another 500 with the people that want to put the 1,000. And I will be giving you, I will be giving the 500. I will select the people in Telegram or the Discord channel, and I will be giving the 500 through USCT. So TRC20 or the ERC20 network, and you'll get it straight to your wallet, and you could choose to invest back into Golden Way. And like I said, you could get, it's 3% every week. So on 1,000, you're getting $30. On 10,000, you're getting 300, and on 100,000, you're getting 3,000 a week. So yeah, it's very simple. So if you guys put 1,000, you're getting $30 a week. And if people have any more like in-depth inquiries about understanding how Golden Way works, and if you need specific questions answered, just reach out to me or leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to answer. I'm always online and active. And yeah, I really want you guys to take a look at that website. And honestly, this is my account. Now I'm at 8,404 in total profits, and partners here. And yeah, it's an amazing journey that I want to take you guys through and be part of together. And if you guys want to be part of that journey, then absolutely, be more than happy on helping people out and getting them to their dreams and goals. But again, I want to go also over a little bit of a specific thing, that I'm not a financial advisor or an investor. I'm just going through my own journey, and I'm just showing everyone how my journey is going. Yeah, and to be honest with you guys, so yeah, guys, don't fall for these. So Metafi Yielders too, same thing. The website went down. Here, I'll try to even load the website. Metafi Yielders. They scammed it perfectly. They're gone. It's not even showing up. The website is offline. Another rug scam. It's just ridiculous. I can't believe they do these to people. Same with Exontrade. Another withdrawal issues. See, guys, it's happening again. Oh my god. I feel so sorry for people investing into these. Genix, CryptoGenix, same thing with them. They're having withdrawal. Don't believe this, guys. Please, don't fall for this. But again, if you guys have any questions about this, reach out to me. I'm always here to help. And if you like this video, leave a comment, give this video a like, and please subscribe. I'm going to be releasing updated content and daily content of new things. I will be going over new websites for everyone, do a thorough research for you guys. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, just reach out to me. Everything is in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.